Amabhakania are believed to be monitoring a Moromo Gallants midfielder, according to insiders privy to information. Insiders close to the club have indicated that Houghton-based team has been monitoring Masindi named Angela closely. Sokala Duma had previously reported how Pirates are planning big changes with signings and releases, which has sparked their interest in the Gallants midfielder. They have been monitoring him because they feel that if they release other players at the end of the season, then they may need a player like him, the CSO stated. He has been doing well in the games that he has played for Moromo Gallants this season, and he has been consistent, and it's believed that Amapagania are showing interest in him, the CSOs further elaborated. A second insider stated that other PSA clubs are also showing interest in the midfielder, and it will all now depend on what happens at the end of the season, the insider reported. It seems like Amapagania will have competition from other clubs in the PSL. At the moment, we are not sure which other clubs are interested in him, but it seems it won't be just a walk in the park for Pirates to sign him. There are other teams monitoring him as well, the second source revealed. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.